Welcome back to the workshop. We're back at home base. We're ready to go for our next challenge today. And today I will be picking from themes from a hat, and we'll be doing a black light challenge. Alright, it's trying to determine what our theme is for today. And it looks like I have drawn industrial. Now it is time to reveal the next challenge twist. And it looks like my theme is the mixer. But this time I have to mix two additional themes with my main theme. Alright, so here's my first theme, pollution. And my third theme, snowman. So I have to make a piece that's industrial, that represents pollution, and has a snowman on it. So let's hop in and get started. My ninth project is now completed. I was lucky enough to get 3 themes and subjects that went really well together, but the biggest challenge that I faced with this project was getting the details down. The pipes coming in and out of the buildings themselves, and then making sure that I added as much darkness as I could to counteract some of the neon elements going on in this piece. If you want to find out more about this project, please visit my Instagram page. Next week, I have no freaking idea what we're going to be doing.